inside in 7 minutes. I can't believe the day's finally here. I'm actually a little nervous. I wasn't nervous at all until like 5 minutes ago. So I'm gonna go inside, get everything done. Hopefully it doesn't take long. And we have ourselves a new family home. I'm so excited. Let's do this. I couldn't even finish my coffee. I have to use the bathroom. You know I'm nervous when I have to use the bathroom. Okay, bye. We just closed on the house. It's official. So I literally just closed on the house. I got here about 10 minutes ago, putting in a couple of things like the basket and a couple of things that I had in the car, just bringing it here. Now I have to go pick up my sister. We're gonna go pick up a pickup truck, move a few things that I wanna move personally. And tomorrow the movers are moving everything in. I just can't believe that we finally did it. We're here. I am so happy and shocked. It's like, it's been almost 2 years. And now that the day has finally arrived, I'm in like disbelief. I am super excited. It has been very stressful. It just wasn't an easy process. But I'm grateful for those who helped throughout this whole process and made it easier. One contractor in particular, everybody else just, I don't know. But anyways, I don't want to focus on the negative. The positive is that the house turned out great. It's a solid house. It's just quality and I love it so much. First home, super excited to be able to provide my family with a foundation, my son. I'm beyond thrilled. So yeah, I want to just start the move. I need to eat. I was so nervous. I just don't get hungry when I'm nervous. I didn't even drink my coffee this morning. I went to Starbucks. I didn't drink the coffee. So I do want to grab some breakfast, pick up my sister, pick up the pickup truck, go to the apartment and start moving all of the little personal things. Then in about 2 hours, I have to go pick up my son from school. It's just gonna be a busy day. It's gonna be a busy weekend overall. Tomorrow, my brother's coming. He's gonna help the movers, kind of like guide them and stuff. Today, my brother-in-law is gonna bring my appliances, just the washer and dryer in the fridge. He's gonna put it in the garage. And tomorrow he's gonna install everything with my brother. And then just start unpacking and making this house a home, which is super exciting. I cannot wait to organize all of that. Organizing brings me joy. I truly love organizing. It's very therapeutic. I don't like cleaning so much, but organizing, I can organize all day long. It's fun for me. I find it very entertaining. Laundry as well, cannot stand laundry. I can't, no. I'd rather clean than do laundry. And laundry's pretty simple, right? You put it in there, it washes itself, then you put it away, but I'm really bad at putting away the laundry. But anyways, let's go ahead and start this move and start moving all of my stuff. And look how beautiful that floor is. It's a wide plank. Stunning, I'm telling you. And this one over here for the mudroom, I call it my grandma floor. Beautiful.
My nose is smelling house.
Al fin! Yeah, I don't really like the color that they painted the... I would have preferred like either white or gray. I don't like the color. Yeah, I told him to leave everything.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Nice touches.
Today is moving day. The movers are actually here. They went downstairs to go get the dolly. I was gonna fill in my brows, but I didn't have time. So here we have everything packed. Let me show you guys the room. The room is all done and packed. Más calor. I need memories. This is exciting. are finally here. They started at 9 a.m. and they got here at 5:25. So they've been going at it all day. This couch delivery, there she is. Super pretty white sectional. I can't wait to have a sofa.
¿Cómo? Así, ¿cómo está? Bien, gracias.
They have like 3 more sections. Oh my gosh, she's huge. I gotta vacuum the couch, but I love it. And then we put 2 little chairs here. She's super cute. What? I look washed out. I definitely need like a car mount so I can vlog in the car. I have been so busy this past few days. In my mind, I was going to vlog the entire move and me unpacking, but I just haven't had time to do that. I've been on just unpacking mode, moving mode the entire time. But today they delivered my couch this morning and it looks so pretty. I bought this couch like 1.5 years ago, so I almost forgot what it looked like. It's a modular couch and it's kind of like a dupe for the cloud couch. And it got delivered and I'm super happy. I am on my way to do the final walkthrough for my old apartment. And then I have to go to the post office, renew my box. I have to stop by Target. It's my son's birthday on Friday, so I have to get like the birthday bags and tissue paper to put his gifts in. And then I have to do one more thing on that side of town. Oh, I have to go to the mall because I lost my keyboard and I haven't been able to log into my computer. So I have to go to the Apple store and get a new keyboard so that I can work. And they're redoing the highway, so it's super bouncy. So I have to do all of that in about 1.5 hours because after that I have to drive another 35 minutes to go pick up my son from school. So there's definitely a lot happening. It has been non-stop like this since we moved in, like non-stop. And then later on I have ADT coming by in the afternoon to give me a quote. I have landscapers giving me quotes. And it's raining, so I'm gonna focus on the road. I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. There we go. Apartment is completely empty. She is done so. Apartment was good to us. Now it's time to move on. So I'm sweating bullets because we're outside. I finished all of the curtains in the house, or all of the Roman shades in the house, and it looks so good. But for now, I'm just happy to have privacy. I think those are the grasshoppers. It gets loud and then they just stop in like 5 seconds. Stops. So weird. But we came outside. Just Junior wanted to play some basketball, so we came to the basketball court, and I'm dying because it is so humid. I'm just here like trying not to move. Last time I was playing a little bit with him some basketball and I was just sweating bullets, and then the mosquitoes and bugs stick to you, and it was no. So I'm just trying to stay still because it's hot. Well, not hot, it's just humid. I don't mind dry heat, but this humidity, can't stand it. And what else? ADT came out. Gonna get the security alarm put in. I have pest control that I have to call back tomorrow. it's just a lot, man. New homeowner life. It's just a lot happening. But I couldn't be happier. And that's it. I think I'm gonna call it a night. So I will see you guys maybe tomorrow or in the next video.